Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Well, today we're gonna do tips, more tips on how to belch, but also I'm gonna try to attempt a really loud belch here in these apartment complexes. Is right here.
You broke your arm by belching too loud.
Yeah, I belched my tendons out of place,
The
so
vibrations were your bones could not handle so much.
they were in.
vibrations.
Well,
His bones couldn't handle the vibrations, so they had no choice but to crack.
he's not the only one. I mean, look at my arm. I did the same thing as well.
My massive monster belch is what crippled us. But anyways, you're not here to watch for our life stories, so here it goes.
That sounded nasty.
All right, that one was a fail. Hold on, redo, reset.
Do a long
This is
one.
failing.
Do
This
a
is
long
failing
one.
bad, huh?
Do a long belch. Do the loudest one you could.
You're the troll job. You're the troll job.
I know.
You're like this.
Stop fucking it up. We're gonna have to do another one.
Yeah.
Alright, alright.